In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time differences in Google Sheets. This skill can be particularly useful for tracking work hours, managing time efficiently, or simply keeping a record of different time intervals. Let's dive right in. Firstly, it's important to set up and format your cells correctly to display the time accurately. We'll begin by focusing on our time in and time out entries. To do this, click on the cells where you've entered the time. Once you've selected them, navigate to the Format menu at the top of your screen. A drop-down will appear, and you'll need to hover over the Number option. From here, select Time to apply a time format to your cells. If you'd prefer a custom look, you can choose a custom format and remove the seconds from the time display. This might be helpful if you only want to focus on hours and minutes. After making these selections, click Apply to confirm your choices. With our time in and time out fields properly formatted, it's now time to turn our attention to calculating the time difference, commonly referred to as the hours worked. For this calculation, you'll need to ensure the cell you plan to use for this is set to a duration format. So, select that cell, go to Format, and once again, scroll through the number options until you find duration. This format is specifically designed to handle the calculation of time intervals, ensuring that your results display correctly as hours and minutes rather than a time of day. Now that we've successfully formatted our cells, it's time to create the formula that will calculate the hours worked. This calculation is straightforward. Essentially, we subtract the time in from the time out. So in the cell formatted for duration, simply enter an equals sign, followed by the cell reference for time out, then a minus sign, and finally the cell reference for time in. Hit Enter, and Google Sheets will display the total number of hours and minutes worked, all beautifully presented in the correct format that we previously set up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly calculate time differences in Google Sheets, allowing you to manage time more effectively and keep precise records of your activities. With these skills, handling time data becomes far more manageable and accurate, whether you're working on personal projects or professional tasks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice this method so you can become proficient in time management with Google Sheets.